Invideo was brilliant. Now it's superb. Look at this. How fantastic is this? Mind-blowing, right? It does your script, your video, your narration, and some background music. What more do you want? Let's start the tutorial. You are going to love this. Link will be in description, no worries. Sign up if it's your first time, or sign in if it's not. This is the interface. If you check out your history, you'll see all your videos. Choose the minutes your video should have. Describe the content. Be more specific. Click generate. Here you have some other choices you can make. And you can do all this for free or pay. If you want AI, unfortunately you have to pay. But hey, you have the free version with stock images, also very, very good. And you can even edit everything, the music, narration, the pictures, the videos, whatever, you name it. Let's learn how. It's really easy, by the way. Now you have your result, you can edit everything. The narrator, the voice, whether it is female or male. You can choose another video at that part, that specific part. You can choose another background music. You can choose another caption. You choose it, you name it. This is perfect. And that's it. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching the video and being here with me. Bye bye for now.